This is the second year GNM question paper, board examination, Maharashtra State Board of Nursing and Paramedical Education, Mumbai, conducted in the year 2024 February. First subject, that is Medical Surgical Nursing, paper 1. Multiple choice question. First one, pleural effusion is a collection of fluid in the dash. Answer is option C, pleural cavity. Second one, Wim Silverman needle used for dash biopsy. Answer is option A, liver. Third one, dash is one of the treatment of myasthenia gravis. Answer is option B, plasmapheresis. Fourth one, normal level of calcium in our blood is dash milligram per dl. Answer is option C, 8.5 to 10.5. Fifth one, osteomalacia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin dash. Answer is option B, D. Next, match the following. First one, neck stiffness. Answer is option D, meningitis. Second one, cerebral malaria. Answer is option E, Plasmodium falciparum. Third one, Cushing syndrome. Answer is option B, moon phase. Fourth one, aminophilin. Answer is option A, bronchodilator. Fifth one, chemical sterilization. Answer is option C, glutaraldehyde. Next, state true or false. First one, bradycardia is a feature of hypovolemic shock and asthma. Answer is true. Second one, rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune disease. Answer is true. Third one, injection adrenaline is drug of choice in cardiac asthma. Answer is false. Fourth one, AB positive is universal donor group. Answer is false. Fifth one, stone workers, potters are prone to get silicosis. Answer is true. Continuation of the paper is differentiate between short notes and long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of Medical Surgical Nursing 1. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper Medical Surgical Nursing 1. This is the second subject, Medical Surgical Nursing 2. Multiple choice question. First one, dash drug causes bone marrow suppression. Answer is option D, antineoplastic. Second one, dash type of shock may occur due to spinal anesthesia. Answer is option A, neurogenic. Third one, horrorness of voice occurs in dash. Answer is option C, CA larynx. Fourth one, discharge from the ear is called dash. Answer is option A, otorrhea. Fifth one, mammography test is done to detect dash. Answer is option C, CA breast. Next, match the following. First one, tetanus. Answer is option C, Clostridium tetani. Second one, pap smear. Answer is option D, cancer of cervix. Third one, vitamin B12 deficiency. Answer is option E, megaloblastic anemia. Fourth one, hemophilia. Answer is option B, deficiency of factor 8. Fifth one, amputation. Answer is option A, phantom limb. Next is state true or false. First one, Widal test is done to diagnose dengue fever. Answer is false. Second one, leukocytosis means abnormal increased white blood cells. Answer is true. Third one, myopia means long-sightedness. Answer is false. Fourth one, myelography is a radiologic investigation of spinal cord. Answer is true. Fifth one, osteoporosis is a disorder in which there is increase in bone density. Answer is false. This is the continuation of Medical Surgical Nursing 2 question paper, continued with short notes, differentiate between and long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of Medical Surgical Nursing 2. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper Medical Surgical Nursing 2. Third subject, Mental Health and Psychiatric Nursing. Multiple choice question. First one, normal response of an individual to the loss of a loved one is called dash. Option B, grief. Second one, the most important factor in therapeutic relationship is dash. Option D, trust. Third one, all of the following are component of MSc except dash. The answer is B, language. Fourth one, agoraphobia means dash. Option C, irrational fear of situation. Fifth one, in India, first Institute of Mental Health was set up in dash. Answer is D, Mumbai. Next, match the following. First one, delirium. Answer is option E, confused state of mind. Second one, antipsychotic. Answer is option A, haloperidol. Third one, antidepressant. Answer is option D, imipramine. Fourth one, mood. Answer is option B, euphoria. Fifth one, catatonic sign. Answer is option C, stereotype. Next, state true or false. First one, National Mental Health Program was launched in 1982 in India. Answer is true. Second one, mania is the major causes of suicide. Answer is false. Third one, mental defense mechanism helps to decrease internal conflict. Answer is true. Fourth one, Eugen Bleuner coined the term schizophrenia. Answer is true. Fifth one, observation of patient's motor activity is not necessary during MSE. Answer is false. Continuation of the paper, short notes, differentiate between and long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of Mental Health Nursing. This is the Marathi question paper of continuation of Marathi question paper of Mental Health Nursing. Fourth subject, Child Health Nursing. Multiple choice question. First one, birth weight doubles at the age of dash. Answer is A, 6 months. Second one, tetany is caused by dash. Answer is B, calcium deficiency. Third one, ascites is one of the late feature of dash. Answer is C, cirrhosis of liver. Fourth one, each mite is causative agent for dash. Answer is B, scabies. Fifth one, ophthalmia neonatum may found in the newborn of a mother infected with dash. Answer is A. Gonorrhea. Next, match the following. First one, burns. Answer is B. Rule of 9. Second one, epilepsy. Answer is C. Phenobarbital. Third one, spina bifida. Answer is A. Neural tube defect. Fourth one, asthma. Answer is E. Pollen grains. Fifth one, anterior fontanelle. Answer is D. Closes at 18 months. Next, state true or false. First one, leukemia is a communicable disease. Answer is false. Second one, stomach wash is contraindicated in acid poisoning. Answer is true. Third one, Western blot test is performed as confirmatory test in HIV. Answer is true. Fourth one, first oral polio vaccine dose is given at birth. Answer is true. Fifth one, colostrum contains antibiotics. Answer is false. Continuation of the paper child health nursing is defined terms, short notes and essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of child health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper child health nursing.